my life as an influencer. Today we are going to do makeup together, my pre-shower makeup routine. We are going to unbox some PR and change out my cupboard from summer to winter. This is a makeup look I just did now. It's pumpkin spice makeup, and by the time you'll see this will already be up on my shorts, so have a look at them if you don't already. Okay you guys, I have a really exciting package that I want to show you, and it's from Bubble. I actually know what's inside because they sent me an email saying it's their new holiday gift set. I am a Bubble ambassador, so I work with them, but it's just so surreal to be receiving packages like this. I get to work with so many brands sending me things, and I'm just so grateful. Let's open this up and I'll show you what's inside. They always have the cutest packaging. I love this blue. Here we have the winter warm-up routine. How pretty is this packaging? This would be a perfect gift for any skincare lover, and Bubble skincare is seriously so good. I've been using this moisturizer for quite a while. It's the Slam Dunk one. How cute is this? Let's open it up and I'll show you what's inside. One thing that's great about their skincare is that they don't have any fragrance, parabens, dyes, sulfates, formaldehyde releases, phthalates, silicones, PGs, and gluten. So it's really good. You don't want any of that stuff in your skincare. This is the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser, and this feels so amazing and hydrating. This is their Slam Dunk Moisturizer, and this is the one I use every day, but I actually have the full size of it now, and I'm sure you would have seen it on TikTok before. It's the one where you pump it out like this. And this product I haven't tried before. It's the Bounce Back Balancing Facial Mist, and you spray your face for an instant skin reset. Let's try it out. That feels so hydrating. I've been really wanting a facial mist, so I'm so glad I got this. Let's put on a moisturizer together. And if you want to try anything from Bubble, I have a 10% off discount code. I'll leave it on the screen here and also in the description box. I forgot it has the cutest little flower when you do that. Love. So easy. Now my skin is feeling so much more hydrated and I'm ready to do some makeup. Thank you so much to Bubble, and go and try this out if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing some pre-shower makeup with this palette. Look how pretty it is.
I wonder if I changed my number, would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk but we don't.
It's the next day and I need to get some things from the shop, so let's go into town.
Summer, swimming in a sunset.
Okay, so we are at the shops now, and I think we're going to go into M&S, and I'm looking for a dehumidifier, so we'll go into Poundland maybe and get that.
Color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
Okay guys, so it is finally time to change out my cupboard from summer to winter. I've been needing to do this for so long. I've had the bag of clothes sitting in my room, so let's get to it. It's pretty dark, there's no light in here, so I'll just show you. This is what it looks like, and we've got a huge mess up there that we need to fix. Here we have my dresses, so all of these are going to go, and my tank tops, they are all going to go. I will keep a few t-shirts, and then we already have some winter clothes in here, so these will stay. We have hoodies and sweatshirts. I recently organized my shoes, so we have them here on the shoe rack, so I think that looks pretty good. It's very small to get into and quite dark, so we'll just get into the time lapse of me taking these out. I'm going to leave this dress in because I haven't worn it yet, and I feel like this is just kind of cute, like fancier dress that always needs to be out in case I'm going somewhere, which I'm probably not, but it's so pretty.
I see the way we're going.
This is the final result. We have warm pants here. I have some skirts and then pajamas and scarves. I like to start based on how cold it will be. So these are thinner tops and then it gets thicker, and I have my hoodies here. So we have a few of these thin tops. Then it gets into thicker knits like this. It's really cold, something like this. And then more casual things. And then I keep all my pants here. Here we have the t-shirts and then my jacket. So that is it for the winter cupboard transformation.
Oh, this closer